Max is thinking I'm going back to sleep. I'm not, Max. It's time to wake up. Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day when I go to uni and when I have a productive day. And I just woke up, I'm going to eat my breakfast, I'm going to show you what I eat. I'm going to take you with me and show you what my usual day at university looks like, what I eat when I study, and I'm also going to show you what I do after I come back home. So it's going to be a very productive day, and I'll also tell you what I study, where I study, everything related to my current degree. And yeah, so if you're interested, continue watching this video, and right now I will show you what I'm going to eat for breakfast because I'm starving. This is my morning variation of mango sticky rice, which is mango sticky oatmeal. We have oatmeal which was cooked with agave, and on top of that we have mango, desiccated coconut, and some roasted almonds and cashew nuts, and all of that is drizzled with agave again. And I've already eaten my apples, so I'm going to dig into that and I'll talk to you in a second. This is literally how I eat my breakfast. Yeah, I'm going to eat it and I'm going to tell you everything that is going to happen today later because I have to eat. So, see you in a second. Hello again. I'm going to my university now. It's almost 8 a.m. and I'm almost running late, but I wanted to tell you what I'm going to do today. So today I'm going to go to uni, and then after that I'm going to respond to some emails, rewrite some lesson plans, write a video script for tomorrow because I'm filming tomorrow, and do some yoga. I work and I do YouTube and I study, but studying is the least time-consuming part of my life now, but still, many of you go to school, many of you go to uni, so I want to show you what I eat on a day when I go to uni, when I still work, and then I'm going to have an evening off. It's very hard for me to do that. I'm still learning how to do that, how to take evenings off, how to stop working in the evenings. I'm a workaholic a bit, and that's going to be today's plan. So yeah, I'm going to be at uni for 7 hours, and that's why my productive day is a bit shorter, but still studying is a productive activity. Yeah, I'm rambling. I'm also running late. If you are not from Wrocław, and many of you aren't, I want to show you Wrocław a bit because this is my last year here in Wrocław. So we have this Christmas market every year that is very popular. Many people come here, and today is a Saturday, so it's going to be extremely busy later in the video when I go back from uni. And I wanted to show you the market once it's not opened, without anybody here, because it's a market that I love the most. Quiet. A quiet one. Not a soul. This is my coffee. This is my uni. Let's do this. So this is my first snack at uni. This is a peanut butter sandwich with some cranberries, and I'm going to eat it now because it's my snack break. It doesn't look like much, but honestly, the combination of peanut butter and some dried fruit like cranberries is just like peanut butter and jelly. So yeah, I can't hold it together, but yeah, this is my first snack. So if you're wondering what I'm wearing today, I'm wearing a huge sweatshirt that I tucked into my skirt. This was thrifted. This I bought a year and a half ago at Bershka when I was still buying things at fast fashion stores. This is an H&M belt again, same case. I have my tights on and I have my vegan shoes. This is vegan leather, and I thought I would show you this because I love thrifted clothes, I love thrifting, and I love vegan fashion. And this is my uni, which is empty because it's a Saturday and no extramural students are here, only us postgrads. we have a short break, so I'm gonna get a coffee in my favorite coffee house in Wrocław. I love it. It's the closest one to my university and it serves amazing coffee. It's cheap because it has a discount for students, and I'll eat my second snack of the day there. I'll show you. Back to the class, I have to hurry. Turns out that the class that I was rushing to was cancelled and just the teacher didn't show up. So I'm going home, I'm going to work a little bit more, and right now I'm going to go through the main market square again. So I will show you what it looks like when it's full of people and in its full-blown form of a Christmas market. I'm home now and I'm going to change into more comfortable clothes. Here's Max, he's been meowing at me incessantly. I gave him food, but I don't think he's after food. Right, yeah, I think he's going to his litter box. So yeah, I'm going to work and I'll show you my lunch. That's my lunch. This is pumpkin curry with chickpeas and bulgur wheat, and it doesn't look very appetizing, but I love this. It's so yummy and I'm going to eat it right now. Oh, I can't wait. Oh no, I'm already... So I'm about to dive into this bowl of curry and I'm super excited. And I will briefly tell you about my studies because I've already graduated. If you saw my video, which was my second video on my channel, 5 ideas for a perfect summer after graduation, I've already graduated. So what the hell am I doing if I talk about studying? Well, I'll explain. If you want me to, I'll make a whole video dedicated to my studies and my studying, university, college experience, because there is a lot to talk about because I've been enrolled in three distinct programs, so that's a story for another video. But right now I'm enrolled in a postgrad degree which is called Business English or English in Business, and we are learning so much there. I am very, very happy with my choice and with these studies because I'm learning so much. For instance, today we were learning how to negotiate during a business meeting. We were analyzing business meetings, the language of business meetings, and also body language and linguistic devices, but also the hierarchy and the Anglo-Saxon culture of doing business. Some people ask me, okay, so what do you study? Because if I say business English, they're like, what is so special about it? Like, isn't it English? Like, just English? Well, it isn't, because if you've ever read a contract in English or in any language, you know that the legal and economic and business terms and expressions and also distinct grammatical structures are like a foreign language in and of itself. But not only that, we also learn how to negotiate, for example, or how to use internet tools or computer tools to run a business, or how to translate if you want to be a translator. Everything around teaching, translating, using English in a business environment. I think it's extremely useful, and in many aspects it's more useful than many of the subjects that I had, many of the courses that I had in my regular English studies degree, because it's more practical, it's more hands-on. And this course/program is a paid one. Usually, if you're a student in Poland at a public university, like the University of Wrocław, and you study full-time, that is free of charge. You don't have to pay for your education, which is incredible. If you study part-time during the weekends, it's a paid program, no matter what you study. And if you do a postgrad degree, that also takes place during the weekends, which means it's an extramural mode of studying, and that's also a paid type of studying. Now I'm paying for this degree, It's something extra, it's something in a new area, because it's not only English or linguistics or literature or teaching or grammar or translation, it's business English. So that's why it's a part-time mode, and it's also aimed at people who work. I enjoy it that way because I can do many things during the week just for myself, and I'm still learning so much. Like, this year is incredible. But to recap, I study at the University of Wrocław, the Faculty of Letters, the Institute of English Studies, and what I do currently is the postgraduate degree in business English. So this is my current situation, and if you're interested in listening about my whole university/studying experience, let me know down in the comments and I will make a video about it. Now I'll finish my lunch and I'm going back to work, so I'll see you later in the day when I eat my afternoon snack. Yeah, I do eat those. Also, if you want the recipe for this curry, it's in the description box, so enjoy. I've responded to the emails that I had to respond to, so check. And now I'm going to rewrite some lesson plans, and after that, finally, I will tackle my YouTube video. So that means that this day is going really well. It's not even 3 p.m. and I've already done a huge chunk of what I had to do today. So I'm really happy. It's a productive day. Good, good, good. Alright, next thing is done. I've written some lesson plans for this week and I'm done with them. So I already know what I'll be teaching. I already know all of the materials that I need. This weight has been lifted off my shoulders. I can finally breathe because I know that next week I will not have to rush through everything, every single exercise, and plan 5 minutes before the lesson. So I'm good. I'm in the clear. Yeah. The one thing that I still have left, let me check my to-do list. Apart from yoga, I still want to plan my YouTube video and also plan next week in terms of finding time slots for recording my January project. I haven't told you about it yet, but I have a January project that I have to work on. I mean, I want to work on now. It's almost the end of November and I want to finish it as soon as possible, because it's coming. So I'll finish my YouTube script and I'll see you when I eat my afternoon snack, because that was supposed to be a what I ate in a day video, and I talk about me being productive and studying and everything, but maybe this is the type of content that you'll enjoy. We will see. I'll see you in a sec. My work is done. I've finished. I've done everything. I've literally done everything. I've just finished planning my video, and not just one, not just two, but 3 videos that I'm going to film hopefully tomorrow. I mean, I'm going to film them tomorrow, but hopefully I'll get to film all 3 videos. I'm so proud of myself because, for instance, planning videos is something that I love doing, but I left it as the last thing that I would do today because I like it more than planning lessons. That's why I wanted to deal with this first, and then after that I could plan videos, and it was more enjoyable for me that way. And I've finished and I'm already in my yoga attire and I'm going to do yoga, and then I'll show you my snack because I'm also getting hungry. It's going to be a sweet pick-me-up, but first yoga. I'll do some yoga with Adrian. I don't know which one, but all of them are amazing. I just have to choose the best one for today. So I'll see you and I'll show you what I eat. This is my afternoon snack. These are date balls with peanut butter and desiccated coconut and cocoa, and they are so delicious. Let me try one. If you crave something sweet in the afternoon, these are amazing. And again, if you want the recipe, it's in the description box. It's so easy. It takes 15 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna go chill and I'll show you my dinner. And that's my dinner. This is a tofu scramble with some roasted cherry tomatoes and an avo on toast. I'm gonna dig into it now because I'm super hungry. Tofu scramble is one of the easiest dinners, breakfasts, snacks. If you only have black salt or kale namak, is the easiest thing on earth to whip out. And that is it. That was everything that I ate today. It was a very productive day and I'm super happy about everything that I've done because I like being productive and most of my days are productive. I'm not always productive. I'm not like busy. I always do things. This is who I am, and you get to see what I eat when I do that because I don't only travel, I also work, I also study, and it was fun to film what I eat in a day video when I was actually at home and working and studying. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every week about veganism, minimalism, traveling, learning, and creating your own dream life. So if any of those sound interesting to you, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you'd like to see more of my daily life, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!